Namaskar to all. My name is Ankit Tiwari. I'm a yoga expert and nowadays I'm working in Turkey. So today today in this session I will explain you Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is a cleansing practice which is part of Shat Karma. Six cleansing practice in six cleansing practice Kapalbhati is one of them. So cleansing practice is in yoga there are six cleansing practice, but today we will talk about Kapalbhati. So first we need to understand the literal meaning of Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, Kapal means skull and Bhati means to shine. So Kapalbhati is for shining or for purification of frontal region, basically specifically on your sinus region. Okay. So Kapalbhati is a very good practice for cleaning your sinusitis region, and in Hata Pradipika there is only one Kapalbhati, but in Gheran Samhita there are three Kapalbhati. So first I will explain. So just sit in any comfortable posture. Okay, your both hand is in Gyan Mudra. Your spine and neck should be straight, shoulders relax. Close your eyes, slowly close your eyes. Look at your body. Deep inhale. Complete exhale. Deep inhale. Complete exhale. Deep inhale. Complete exhale. Deep inhale. Now your spine, neck and head should be straight line. Complete exhale. Again deep inhale. Now we will start Kapalbhati. Active exhale from your both nostril. Maintain your smile. Okay. This is the technique of Kapalbhati. So basically, but those who are suffering from severe hypertension, severe lower back pain, increased eye pressure, they need to do with extra care or they need to avoid this practice. Okay, they need only 10 to 20 strokes in a minute. But those who are expert level, they will do 120 strokes in a minute while doing this Kapalbhati. So in Gheran Samhita, there are three types of variation of Kapalbhati. First one is Vatkram Kapalbhati, which is only exhalation from your nostrils. It looks like Anulom Vilom, or it looks like alternate nostril Kapalbhati. Means you will inhale, then you will exhale from left nostril, then passive inhale from left nostril, then exhale from your right nostril, then passive inhale from your left nostril. There is another is Vyutkram Kapalbhati and Sheetkram Kapalbhati. Vyutkram Kapalbhati, you will inhale lukewarm water. You will intake lukewarm water from your nose and it will come out from your mouth. And Sheetkram Kapalbhati, you will take lukewarm water added with salt from your mouth and it will come out from your nose. So this is basically clean your sinusitis region, and also there are lots of benefits when we are doing this Kapalbhati practice. First I will explain a little primary series of this Kapalbhati also, because generally people know, generally when we are beginner and we not able to understand how we do this practice, because it is lots of people feel uncomfortable while exhalation. Okay, so first of all I will teach you one practice which is one nostril Kapalbhati. So this is a beginning, this is just a variation. So you will deep inhale, close your eyes, active exhale from your left nostril, 20 strokes only. Now active exhale from your right nostril, 20 strokes. this is one nostril Kapalbhati. So then you will understand that you will understand that you will exhale actively and inhale should be automatically. That should be passive. Now we will do alternate nostril Kapalbhati. Means we will exhale, active exhale from left nostril, then active exhale from right nostril. Inhale should be passive. Okay, we will do for 30 strokes. We will practice this. Okay, and whenever we are doing Kapalbhati, you need to understand that whenever we are doing any practice which goes our awareness toward inward, we need to close our eyes. When our eyes should be closed, then we will start our inward journey. And yoga is goes from extrovert to inward, not introvert, inward. Means you will be aware towards yourself. Okay, and when we do any stroke, then when we stop, then we need to be aware towards that changes in your breathing pattern, in your body. If you feel breathless state, if you feel that you don't want to breathe for few seconds, just whatever is your experience, you will remain for few seconds. Okay, so now we'll do I will perform alternate nostril Kapalbhati. First, again, spine and neck straight. You need to sit comfortably. Any posture, if you are not feeling comfortable in Padmasana, you can sit in Sukhasana also, or according to your benefit, according to your comfort posture. Now deep inhale. Now 30 strokes, alternate nostril Kapalbhati. Relax. Deep inhale. Awareness towards the changes in your breathing pattern. Now slowly look down and open your eyes. Now, Kapalbhati is very good for removing your kapha problem. And also it clear your sinusitis. I already explained, and it is good for removal fat from your abdomen area, and your face will be more shine, especially in your frontal posture. So before any practices, you need to do these cleansing practices. Then it is more beneficial for your well-being and for your comfort. But again, those who are suffering from severe hypertension, severe lower back pain, you need to be more cautious while performing this practice. Okay, so this is today this is Kapalbhati. If you have any query related to any practice, because there are lots of queries in the so then you can ask me in comment. I will explain your all queries. Okay. Thank you for watching this. If you want to, if you like, then you can like it and subscribe my channel, and also share to your friends. Thank you.